up1437 Pro model pressure tester. Now this pressure tester has a capacity of a 14 by 37 inch cylinder head. When you buy this, it comes with a set of 25 universal plates. One plate might fit 10 different heads. It also comes with a set of what we call diesel or industrial pressure plates. And what that is, most of the time those water openings are typically on the top. They're right next to each other, so we just lay them. It comes with two of these. There's one here, one up here. We just lay it right on top of the cylinder head. One here and one over there. And we tighten it down. We use these as plates. Those also come with it. When you get your pressure tester, you're going to find some tooling. Now, something you want to pay attention to is these bars. These are 1 inch by 2 inch, and you can see they got pins here and here. And what you're going to do, you have to use these inside the cradle. You can set it up on the 1 inch side or the 2 inch side, but these always stay inside the pressure tester. Now, when you look inside this pressure tester, you're going to see a series of bolts, toggle pads, and a big hex nut here. What that is, this is a replaceable insert that goes up inside it. So as time goes on, if you ever need to replace it, you don't have to cut the tubing off. You just simply put this insert in. Now this Pro model uses all stainless steel wetted parts. These stainless bolts, stainless inserts, stainless lock knobs here. You also see a nice 48 inch light here. Got double fluorescent lights up here. Over here you've got a air regulator with an oiler that powers your 3/8 drive air gun. Now right here behind the pressure tester, you'll see there's just a cylinder that raises and lowers this cradle system in and out of the water. As you move back towards here, you'll see I've got my 4-cylinder plates hanging up here on the carousel, and I've got my wider 4-cylinder and all my 6-cylinders hanging under here. You're going to have a series of tooling that comes here. These are some clamping crossbars. What you're going to use this for is over here on your scallops, and I'll show you as we move on. You're going to have a bolt that runs through here with a toggle pad on the end, like this one here. Now when we send this over, you're going to have different, you got toggle pads that are smooth. You got a couple that have teeth. And the reason for these, we call these grippers, is if the head's sitting in at an angle, this won't slip off or grip into the pad. Okay, so you got your bolts, what we call clamping crossbars. These are some threaded bars here that you'll be using to block off water openings on the end or on the underneath side of the cradle. Up here, some cylinder heads are just difficult to do, like the Toyota, the 22Rs. So we give you a specific plate for that 22R. This is for a Datsun. This is for a GM 3.1. Sometimes it's easier to bolt a plate on the intake manifold side than it is to try to fumble doing it universally. So these also come with it. Up here you're going to find a plate list. It's going to give you the plates are numbered on the top, and this tells you what plate fits what specific cylinder head. Here you've got some aluminum pads. Some have air fittings in, some do not. You'll use these as you pressure test your heads. This is just a little coupler that we send in the event that you need a pad like this, but you need it solid. If it's not, you can clip this on there. It's got a little plug in the back, so you could use it as a solid pad. That's what this is. We send these also in the event you have to make something for yourself. Here's some threaded pipe fittings. Now these are exclusive to our pressure testers. As you'll see, our pressure tester uses this clip end. So again, we're sending a few extra of these in the event you need to make a plate. We'll send some little rubber disc, just in the event you need something on. Here's a little bit of rubber to go with it. But it's going to have a host of tooling here that comes with it. You're also going to have some aluminum screws in here. Hold on your tooling. Again, everything's all powder coated. When you're not using a pressure tester, if you're not going to use it for a period of time, what we recommend is to put our dust cover on there. Our dust cover is located here at this end. All you do is you'll just simply take this off, fold it out, and set it under here, like so. Now, when you got the dust cover in place, you've got some locks up here that you use to lock that cradle in. So in the event an air leak would happen, if it drifts, it won't come down on top of your dust cover. As you can see, it's a stainless steel tank. It's 90 gallons. The correct depth is put the cradle down in the tank and fill it to the top right above the cradle. Over here on your air panel, you'll see we've got a regulator to regulate how much air goes to the head. You've got a gauge, your air to head, your up button to get the cradle up, and one to go down. Your light switch is located over here. It's again, all powder coated. These are, we feel, probably the most profitable pieces in the shop you're going to find. If you ever have any questions, contact your local representative or call us directly at Axe Equipment. And thank you for listening. If you need anything, go to our website at www.axeequipment.com or call us toll free 800-251-0018. Thank you.